I'm sorry, people. I moved the thing, and the phone dropped, and it stopped it. Okay, so I think I was trying to show you what I just did, okay? So this right here in the middle. When all is said and done, I mean, you put these together like I was just showing you before. I took a block like this and sewed it to another block like this in the same manner that I just sewed this. Let's see, I could just leave it not the same, but then I don't know if I could just do that. Probably could. I kind of like having that pattern set. I just don't necessarily like how it looks on the other side. But I think it's going to look really good before it's done. It's just that I like the squares. I like the squares, and I think that it would look good on the other side to have just 6 inches by 6 inches for each pattern. But really, it's pretty good. Pretty good if you ask me. Okay, so this will go into a stack. I'll start making a stack. I have some already of these blocks. And like I said before, I could take and sew a binding all the way around this and make a two-parter placemat. I don't know that it would be very good looking, but in the quilt it looks good. And the quilt is doing what I want it to do. Okay, so that one is, so this can go over there with that. So now I have a red one. I have red. I have what they call lapis, I guess. This lapis is what is like royal blue. So I've got one. I have more than that. Okay. Okay. I have at least 3. 3 of those. Okay. Good deal. I just need to sew me some more blocks so that I can be able to fill up rows. Okay, I have to have 5, and I would like 5 different ones, different colors at least. You know, if I'm doing the twofer, like a 2 for Tuesday, it's gonna look good. I just have to get the binding done. And it needs to be done before I get carried away. However, I could still get carried away and do rows. You know what I mean? I could just go ahead and do rows. I need a pair of scissors from the other room. Okay. I feel like I need to eat something. Oh. Okay, let's see. See, I like this. It's got red in it. And then I like this with the red. What else have I got to go with that? There's puppy dogs. Okay. I don't have. Okay. Okay. I don't have a single solitary red that's got a solid. They're all patterns in this stack anyway. What have I got over there? We've got blacks and blues and some cranberry. Okay. Well, dagnabbit. So I just made a red one. Okay. All right, I can do that. That red one can go in that last place. Cool beans. Perfect. 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 My bones are popping. Well, see, I just made that red one, and I needed it. Perfect. Must be why I made it. But see, out of all those in that stack of red, none of them go together because they're all prints. So I have to get some more red and put some more sandwiches together and have them be solids. In other words, red background with a green or a blue or a pink or a red. Yes, even a red on a red probably would be pretty, you know? And then I've got this one. So with that one, I could do the shades of blue and even that green, but I don't have a square for it. But the yellow, and I imagine orange. But see, what I want is right here, like this solid right here to go with this, but on the red. Okay. And then that royal blue goes good with this, but that's kind of off the beaten path. I've got some gray over there and some lighter blue that I'm going to be making squares for. And so, yeah, like gray. So it's going to take a change in color. And really, depending on the size of a person, if you're doing it for children, it don't need to be any longer than that. And like what I'm saying is that is 10 squares that are 6 inches by 6 inches. So that is 60 inches when I have it finished, which is 5 feet. You know, some children are not very tall. Anyways, beautiful. So we'll see what it looks like when it's done. We will see. Because yes, it is true. We all have our different choices, our different colors that we like. Get my fingers all caught in my hair. Well, that's a bummer because I was ready to do some red, but I must have some already done. I need some more stuff to do. What is this here? Okay, this is the one I'm supposed to be sewing right now. Strangers in the night. Okay, now these have been zigzagged. Put these over here. So I got stacks that have not been quilted. And then I have those that have been. All right, I'm going to try to not have hair itching me. Do-da-da-da-da. Okay, I I need to hold on to those strings. The world is spinning around. No, I don't know what I meant by that. As the world turns. That was a soap opera, right? I need to move it back. I didn't know that one. I don't believe I watched that one. Unless I watched just a very little bit of it. Right before it went off the air. Okay. So really, I don't know. Since I've already got it as 10 here, I guess that's what I'll do, is 10 in a row. Which is 5 sets of 2. So I get my blocks all set up and get the stitching done. And then we can sew 2 together at a time. 2 that'll go good together in a block. Do, do, do. Do, do, do. Do, 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 do. Yeah, it's hard to know anything out there. It's all a pack of lies. Okay. Yes, I think that's Lady Gaga. It might be Arizona Skies or something like that. The part that says Strangers in the Night, that's what keeps playing in my head. Da 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 da. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. All right, I got my hairs all itching my nose. And I got the wrong scissors. Dum da dum. Do do do. I did a video earlier and I think I labeled it totally wrong. I think it must have been Tuesday, but I said it was Monday. But it's not worth worrying about that much. But I could tell I had had a shower and my hair was all pretty. So I'm thinking that was Tuesday. But I don't know. All I know is I need to remember, I need to set an alarm. I've got to get up and go to the doctor tomorrow. Okay, so this is 10. Do, 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 do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 10 6-inch blocks. See the different colors on the back. Anyway, so when I get these all bound, which won't take very long, then I will prepare to put them on that other one. But see, what I've got to do is also go down that other one and finish pinning that and bind it. That's where it gets tricky, is binding it all the way down the whole long thing. See, right now I'm just binding this little teeny spot. Just this right here. But I'll be binding it all the way down the side. All the way down the middle, actually. But this is ready to be done. And I think I'm ready to let you guys go, so you don't have to see me do all that. Take care, people. Bye.